This is the 13th lecture on the presence of black people in the Bible. On this lecture, we are focusing on the painting of the Last Supper, where Jesus and his disciples are depicted as white. Let's look at this painting. The whole world have seen this painting. Millions of Africans have this painting in their homes. This is one of the paintings that has sold billions of dollars in the world. The one who owns the rights of this painting controls the world. It is very important to know where this painting came from. The question still remains: who made this painting? Leonardo da Vinci was born in 1452 and died in 1519. He was an Italian polymath of the High Renaissance who was active as a painter, draftsman, and engineer. He was commissioned to paint the Last Supper by Lodovico Sforza, who was the Duke of Milan in 1494. Many art historians believe that Leonardo da Vinci, who painted the Last Supper, believed in nature, not in God. Now, the question here is, which model did Leonardo use for the Last Supper painting? Legends has it that for Jesus, Leonardo found a young man who was exactly what he was looking for. Others say he used his uncle as a model to paint Jesus. This theory, presented by a renowned art historian, Dr. Ross King, suggests that Leonardo also used his own face for the two of the apostles of Jesus Christ. You know, this painting has deceived many Christians in the world to believe that Jesus in heaven is a white person. I am here to tell you that in heaven, Jesus is the second person in the Trinity of God. And he is not a man. He is incorporeal. We have heard many people saying that they have seen Jesus in their visions and dreams, and they describe him as white. These visions and dreams are influenced by the paintings of the Last Supper done by Leonardo da Vinci. From the catacombs of Russia, here are some artifacts we spoke about of Mary and Jesus depicted as dark-skinned person. As I close, the Bible was written by black people.